Today we're going to learn about population. First, let we know what the world population means. Population means number of human inhabitants of a particular area. The census is the campaign which comes every 10 years is the date when the people comes for survey on population based on different categories. Guys, if you have any info on population you can share it with your friends.
Yes, sir. I have heard that during 2011 census, our country population was 121.06 crores, 1,210.6 millions, which contributes 17.5% of world's population.
Good, Jessica. You have a good idea on population. Guys, let's see graphs of density of population which was gathered during 2011 census. Good morning, students. Welcome back. Now we are going to learn few points on previous graph, Indian population distribution, and population growth. Guys, by seeing the previous graph, what did you get into your mind that you can share to your friends?
Yeah, sir. I have noticed that the population density of northern plains and Kerala have high population densities, I think because of the flat plains with fertile soil and abundant rainfall.
Good, Damien. You have understood the graph very well. Now see the topic population growth. The numbers, distribution and composition of the population are constantly changing. In terms of absolute numbers, the absolute numbers are obtained by subtracting the earlier population, example that of 2001, from the later population, example that of 2011. In terms of percentage change per annum, example a rate of increase of 2% per annum means that in the given year, there was an increase of 2 persons for every 100 persons in the base population. This is referred to as the annual growth rate. Guys, first we will refer to graphs on population data collected on different years of census, and later our friends will tell about 3 main factors for population change and age composition of population.
Birth rate is number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year. It's a major component of growth, because in India, birth rate always been higher than death rates. Samir, then what is death rate, please could you tell with our friends?
Death rate is number of deaths per 1,000 persons in a year. The main cause of the rate growth of Indian population has been the rapid decline in death rates. Guys, for more clarity, let's see few pictures of birth and death rates in our country India. Renee, do you know the main cause of population change? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you, it's migration. Migration are 2 types. They are internal migration and international migration. Internal migration means within the country and international means beyond the country. Internal migration won't affect much in population, but it might influences the distribution of population within the nation. And do you know that the population of the nation is categorized into different age groups? They are children below 15 years, working age 15 years to 59 years, and aged above 59 years. Let's see a graph of age categorized population of our nation. Guys, now we are going to learn about the remaining topics like gender ratio, sex ratio, literacy rate, occupational structure, health, adolescent population, national population policy, NPP 2000 and adolescence. Sex ratio, it is defined as the number of females per 1,000 males in the population. Sex ratio is an important social indicator to measure the extent of equality between males and females in a society at a given time. Literacy rates, according to the census 2011, a person aged 7 years and above, who can read and write with understanding in any language, is treated as literate. India's literacy rate is 73% as per the census of 2011. Occupational structure or the distribution of the population according to different types of occupation is referred to as the occupational structure. Occupations are classified as primary activities include agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, fishing, mining and quarrying, etc. Secondary activities include manufacturing industry, building and construction work, etc. Tertiary activities include transport, communications, commerce, administration and other services. Health is an important component of population composition, which affects the process of development. The substantial improvement in public health in our country is the result of many factors such as prevention of infectious diseases, application of modern medical practices and diagnosis and treatment of ailments. Adolescents are grouped in the age group of 10 to 19 years. They are the most important resource for the future. It constitutes 1/5 of the total population of India. Nutrition requirements of adolescents are higher than those of a normal child or adult. National Population Policy. The National Population Policy (NPP) 2000 provides a policy framework for imparting free and compulsory school education up to 14 years of age. It also helps in reducing infant mortality rate to below 30 per 1,000 live births, achieving universal immunization of children against all vaccine-preventable diseases, promoting delayed marriage for girls, and making family welfare a people-centered program. NPP 2000 also put emphasis on other important needs of adolescents, including protection from unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted diseases (STDs). It aims towards encouraging delayed marriage and childbearing, education of adolescents about the risks of unprotected sex, making contraceptive services accessible and affordable, providing food supplements, nutritional services, strengthening legal measures to prevent child marriage. Guys, after viewing graphs related to the above topics, we're gonna wind up the chapter.
Hellcat.